What is up guys, this is Yusuf here from TechDroids and welcome to #Planetron. And this is the ultimate $1,000 gaming PC that will do 4K video editing and Quad HD gaming in multiple monitors. So let's see what you can get for $1,000 if you're in the market for a gaming PC. So without any further ado, let's get to Planetron. So for the case, I had a lot of money this time and I went with something really good, and that is the NZXT CA-ST40. Just gorgeous. Black and white build, and you can rock this thing. It costs only 70 bucks, so it'll do for the $1,000 PC build. Now for the CPU, I had to go with the Intel CPU because some of you thought that I was an AMD fanboy. No, AMD is good when it is under the budget, but when it comes to $1,000, you have to go with Intel. So for this build, I particularly chose the Intel Core i7-6700K, clocked at 4 GHz with 8 MB of cache and LGA 1151 socket. This costs 345 bucks without shipping, and it's a really good CPU because it's the best consumer grade CPU that Intel sells right now. So you can rock this thing in your $1,000 gaming PC build. For the motherboard, I had to go with something branded again. So I went with the Asus ROG Maximus 8 Hero with USB 3.1, USB Type A, USB Type C, and really good motherboard for 215 bucks. So it can rock DDR4 as well, as the Intel Core i7-6700K supports DDR4. For RAM, I went with the Kingston HyperX Fury RAM. Now 16 gigs is overkill, but still I had to go with it. And that is it. 16 gigs of Kingston HyperX Fury RAM that costs 75 bucks. In terms of power supply, I had to increase it because you have a beefy graphic card and a beefy CPU and the other stuff as well. So for the PSU, I went with the EVGA 750 watt Super PSU, and this thing is really good. It's a power horse and will power everything that this build has to offer. And it's 80 plus bronze certified and costs only 65 bucks. In terms of storage, you can go with the SSD. The Asus ROG Maximus supports M.2, SATA, and normal SSDs. So you can go with the SSD, but I have not included one because you have 16 gigs of RAM and the i7 and the graphics card itself. But you can go, but you need a bigger budget for this. So for the storage, I went with the Seagate Momentus hard drive. 1 terabyte, 2.5 inch will do and will get the job done for this thing. Because if you're using this for gaming and video editing, you need storage. And for the graphics card, there was no choice for me. It was a no-brainer, and I went with the AMD Radeon RX 480. It's the 4GB version, which sells for 199 bucks and gets you 4GB of GDDR5 memory. And this is the best graphic cards available in the market right now, under 300 bucks, or even for the higher end range. Now I could have gone with the 400 bucks 8GB version, but that will bump up the budget more than $1,000. But this thing will do. It'll get you 4K video editing and Quad HD gaming. Will do the job. We are ready, and we'll get the whole deal. You get the whole deal with the RX 480. So that sums it up. That sums up Planetron, and this is my first ever $1,000 gaming PC. This thing gets you everything you want. 4K gaming, Quad HD, 4K video editing, Quad HD gaming, multiple monitors, everything on the go. So if you like this video, give it a massive thumbs up, or just go white girl in Starbucks on that like button. And if you're feeling like really awesome, then subscribe to the channel and comment down below in the comment section on what budget do you want me to build a PC next time, and I'll make sure that gets built. And this is it from this one. That is it from this one. This is Yusuf from TechDroids. I'm signing out.